In an earlier video, we imported 3 CSV files. Now, just because you imported or you got the data into Excel doesn't mean that that data has been added to the data model. We need to add it to the data model so that we can work with it effectively with Power Pivot. I'm going to first of all select the first sheet, which is the Miller Textiles October 2022 data. And I'm now going to go to my Power Pivot tab in the ribbon, and I want to add it to the data model. So I click this button. As soon as I do that, I'll be taken to the Power Pivot editor, and if I look towards the bottom here, I can see that that data has now been added to the data model, and it appears as a sheet at the bottom here in the Power Pivot editor. If I click this button, I'll switch back to Excel, and now I'd like to add the November data to my data model. So I click on Add to Data Model on the Power Pivot tab in the ribbon, and it's brought through the November data. I'll switch back to Excel, choose the December data, and I'll also add that to my data model. As I've added all 3 CSV files to my data model. If I wanted to remove one of those from my data model, I'd simply right-click this sheet down here and click the delete option, and it would be removed from my data model. I can also rename it, move it, and even hide it. But let's just stick with that for now.